Hey, what's going on, guys? First off, I would like to say thank you for the veterans that have served. Thank you for your service today. Today is Veterans Day. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I hope you guys have a great day with your family and everything is well today. Also, thank you for Crew Diesel for sponsoring this video, hooking me up with this kit for my 7.3. This kit here is the Fuel Bowl Delete, the mechanical fuel pump setup. This is not the E setup. There's two setups that he sells. And I would just like to go over a few things. Maybe some people missed the last video. It's been a few months since it's been in my truck. Zero issues. Happy with the kit. The only downfalls to this kit is it's very hard to get the proper pressure dialed in because it is a mechanical setup. And as you could see with the mechanical pump, you could see the dial is just jumping on the gate. So it's very hard to get it dialed in. I got mine set. I mean, the top end, it hits around 70, about 72, and then it goes down to about, I believe it's like 62. So somewhere you got to find a happy medium. But performance-wise, it's great. No issues at all. And the best thing is I always put this in my video, there's so much more room to work on your power stroke. That damn fuel bowl in these trucks takes up so much room, and it just makes zero sense. This setup here, this is a gift from God, because every time I had to work on these trucks that I own, always that big ass fuel bowl, it was in the way. And I didn't want to pull it out every time, you know, and the seals go bad on them. You have to buy the rebuilds, and there's just no point. No point of having that big-ass canister in the middle of your motor where you always are sticking your hands to work on your truck. So, yeah. So I'm going to take you through it. If some people missed, you know, what I done. But here it is. This is your regulator Marshall gauge. It comes with hoses. There's my filter setup. There was no drilling involved, any at all. Two bolts hold it right to the fender there. It's a very clean setup, and as you could see, there it is. See how much more room you have in there? You can actually get your hand in there. You can get this stuff, and it's night and day. Very happy. But if you guys are interested, I'll put a link down below to his eBay page. He sells this setup here if you don't want to go with the e-fuel. This is a little bit easier setup to install. This one took me about a good day laying everything out, getting everything positioned where I want it. Also, these hoses that you see coming off my filter, you don't have to run them like that. You have enough hose where you can go under the intake or above it. The reason I went that way along the firewall is to have room to work on my truck, and that the hoses would not be in my way. So that's where I chose to put them, but you definitely get enough hose to run it any way you want to run it. But yeah, check out his link below. He's got the two different setups. He's also got other gauges. He also sells the crossover kits for them. But yeah, like I said, very happy. It's been months. No issues at all. No leaks. Runs great. Again, thank you for your veterans, for your service. You guys have a great day and a great Sunday with your families. I'll see you on the next video.